In today's video, we're going to talk about the keto diet and the benefits and challenges associated with this lifestyle. Stay tuned until the very end, where I will share a few delicious recipes to get you started on your journey to weight loss with the keto diet. The ketogenic or keto diet is a high-fat, moderate protein, and very low-carbohydrate eating plan that has gained widespread popularity for its potential to help with weight loss and improve overall health. This diet primarily involves reducing carbohydrate intake and replacing it with fat, which puts your body into a metabolic state known as ketosis. In ketosis, your body becomes incredibly efficient at burning fat for energy. Here are 5 benefits of the keto diet. The first is weight loss. One of the most significant benefits of the keto diet is its ability to help reduce body weight. By cutting carbs and increasing fat intake, your body enters ketosis and starts burning fat as its primary source of energy. This process also helps to reduce insulin levels, which can further aid in weight loss. The second benefit is improved blood sugar control. For people with type 2 diabetes or insulin resistance, the keto diet can help stabilize blood sugar levels. By minimizing carbohydrate intake, the fluctuations in blood sugar and insulin are greatly reduced, which is beneficial for managing diabetes. Third benefit is enhanced mental clarity. Many people report a boost in mental clarity and focus when on a keto diet. This is possibly due to the reduction of sugar spikes, which can cause foggy thinking and fluctuations in energy levels. Number 4 is increased energy levels. After the initial adaptation period, many individuals on a keto diet experience a significant increase in energy levels. This sustained energy is provided by the constant availability of fat for fuel. The fifth and last benefit is improved cholesterol and blood pressure. A keto diet may help improve triglyceride levels and cholesterol levels associated with arterial buildup. Studies have shown that the keto diet can increase HDL levels, which is the good cholesterol, while decreasing LDL levels, which is the bad cholesterol. Now let's talk about a few challenges while being on the keto diet. The first is the keto flu. As the body adapts to a new fuel source, some people experience what is known as the keto flu, which includes symptoms like headache, fatigue, and irritability. These symptoms typically resolve within a few days to weeks as the body fully adapts to ketosis. Number 2 is nutrient deficiencies. Since the diet restricts certain food groups, there is a risk of nutrient deficiencies. It's important to plan meals carefully to ensure you're getting essential vitamins and minerals from low-carb sources. The third challenge is the social and lifestyle aspect of the diet. As with any diet and changes to our usual food intake, adhering to a keto diet can be challenging in social settings due to its restrictive nature. Dining out or attending social gatherings requires planning and communication to adhere to the dietary restrictions. Fourth is sustainability. Some individuals find it difficult to maintain the keto diet long-term due to its restrictive nature. Transitioning to a less strict low-carb diet may be necessary for long-term sustainability. As promised, here are 12 keto-friendly recipes to get you started on this journey. For breakfast, you can make keto pancakes by mixing almond flour, eggs, cream cheese, and vanilla extract to make a low-carb breakfast pancake. Serve these with sugar-free syrup. Another breakfast option is an avocado and egg bake. Cut the avocado in half, remove the pit, and crack an egg into each half. Bake until the egg is set. Season with salt and pepper and enjoy. A third breakfast option could be a spinach and mushroom omelet. Whisk the eggs with heavy cream, pour into a skillet, and top with sautéed spinach and mushrooms. Fold and serve hot, a delicious and filling breakfast. Here are some lunch ideas. First, a keto taco salad. Use ground beef sautéed with taco seasoning. Serve the ground beef over a bed of lettuce with avocado, cheese, and sour cream. Absolutely delicious. Another lunch idea is cauliflower rice stir-fry. Start by sautéing your cauliflower rice with chicken, broccoli, and soy sauce in a stir-fry pan. This makes for a fulfilling midday meal. Another great lunch option is zucchini noodle carbonara. Cook the zucchini noodles and toss them with cooked bacon, garlic, and beaten eggs. Heat gently to create a creamy sauce. Amazing and filling meal. Now let's talk about dinner. First, we have salmon with asparagus. Bake the salmon with butter and herbs and serve it with grilled asparagus. Next, we have beef and broccoli. Stir-fry beef slices with broccoli in a keto-friendly sauce made from ginger, garlic, and tamari. Simple yet delicious. And last on the dinners, we have chicken Alfredo. Use spiralized zucchini as noodles, top with grilled chicken and a sauce made from cream, butter, and Parmesan cheese. And what about snacks? Don't worry, I've got you covered there too. Here are 3 delicious ideas. First, we have cheese crisps. Bake small piles of shredded cheddar cheese until crisp. Next, we have keto fat bombs. Blend coconut oil, cocoa powder, and a keto-friendly sweetener, then freeze in molds. And last, we have stuffed mushrooms. Fill mushroom caps with cream cheese, bacon, and green onions, then bake. And there you have it, a few recipes that are easy and keto-friendly. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more health and wellness content.